There are few celebrities as passionate and committed to cars as Jay Leno. Over the years, the comedian has garnered an astonishing collection of rare, custom, and highly desired vehicles. They all look the same: engine in front, cab, and then the bed. This was truly innovative. Currently, he owns a staggering 181 cars, including obscure American classics and about a dozen motorcycles. Let's see that supercharger kick in. Supercharger makes a nice whine. Yeah, really get it going. From forgotten gems to restored icons, these trucks showcase the diversity and charm of Jay Leno's automotive kingdom. But this one, the others come and go, you sold them. But this one, you've always kept. Always kept this one. Always liked this one because it was different. Today, we explore the lesser-known corners of Jay's garage, focusing on a small but remarkable assortment of most secret pickup trucks. Number 3, 1934 Ford pickup. Jay Leno's 1934 Ford pickup is a prized vintage vehicle with a rich history and unique features that distinguish it in the world of classic automobiles. Produced as part of Ford's Model 4D lineup, spanning from 1933 to 1934, these pickups are celebrated for their distinctive Art Deco styling, sturdy build, and enduring design. They embody an era marked by craftsmanship and innovation, capturing the essence of automotive history during the early 20th century. One of the standout features of the 1934 Ford pickup is its engine, a flathead V8. This engine represented a significant advancement for Ford, transitioning from the previous four-cylinder power plants to a more potent V8 configuration. The flathead V8 was renowned for its reliability and performance, producing approximately 85 horsepower. While this might seem modest by today's standards, it was a notable achievement in the 1930S, contributing to the truck's appeal among drivers seeking both power and durability. In terms of transmission, the 1934 Ford pickup was equipped with a 3-speed manual gearbox. Operating this transmission required skill, as drivers had to master the technique of double clutching to shift gears smoothly. This manual transmission added to the truck's charm, requiring a hands-on approach that connected the driver more intimately with the vehicle's mechanics. Jay Leno's connection to the 1934 Ford pickup began at a young age, illustrating his lifelong passion for automobiles. At just 14 years old, Leno discovered the truck sitting idle at a gas station in Reading, Massachusetts, available for the bargain price of $350. Recognizing its potential, despite its neglected state, Leno and his father made the decision to acquire and restore this automotive gem. Little did they know then that this pickup would become an enduring part of Jay Leno's personal and professional legacy in the world of classic cars. The acquisition of the 1934 Ford pickup marked the beginning of a transformative journey for Jay Leno. Beyond its initial purchase price, the truck demanded extensive restoration work. Over the next 2 years, Leno dedicated himself wholeheartedly to reviving the vehicle, investing not only in monetary terms, but also in countless hours of labor and meticulous attention to detail. His efforts paid off when he finally obtained his driver's license, enabling him to enjoy the fruits of his labor by cruising in his restored classic pickup. Beyond restoration, Jay Leno's penchant for customization and enhancement is evident in the modifications he made to his 1934 Ford pickup. For instance, he opted for a timeless color scheme of deep blue paired with black fenders, complementing the truck's curves and emphasizing its iconic lines with a glossy finish. Additionally, Leno upgraded the suspension system to ensure a smoother ride over diverse road conditions, enhancing both comfort and performance without compromising the truck's vintage appeal. Furthermore, Jay Leno's attention to detail extended to the interior and exterior of the 1934 Ford pickup. Inside the cabin, he reupholstered the bench seat, prioritizing comfort during extended drives, while maintaining authenticity with period-correct materials. Exterior modifications included the addition of vintage accessories such as a chrome radiator grille guard, side mirrors, and a meticulously restored wooden bed floor, all meticulously chosen to evoke nostalgia and preserve the truck's historical integrity. Leno's commitment to preserving automotive history is evident in every aspect of his 1934 Ford pickup. From the polished chrome bumpers to the iconic Ford emblem proudly displayed on the grille, each detail reflects his unwavering dedication to honoring and celebrating the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Beyond its historical and sentimental value, Jay Leno's 1934 Ford pickup remains a testament to the enduring appeal of vintage automobiles. Number 2, 1961 Chevrolet Corvair ramp size. The 1961 Chevrolet Corvair rampside pickup truck, a standout in General Motors' Corvair lineup, was manufactured from 1961 to 1964. This distinctive vehicle defied convention with its rear engine configuration, distinguishing itself from traditional pickups of its time. Corvair 95S. First American trucks with Corvair's better balance and load distribution, exclusive advantages you get only when the engine's in the rear. Unlike its counterparts with front-mounted engines, the Corvair rampside housed its power plant beneath the bed at the rear of the chassis. This design, featuring a rear-mount air-cooled flat-six engine, marked a departure from the norm, contributing to a spacious cab-forward layout. The 145 cubic inch flat-six engine generated 80 horsepower and 128 lp-ft of torque directed to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual transmission. No electronics, no computer. That's what makes it easy. This setup not only provided an engaging driving experience with manual gear shifts, but also allowed for a more balanced weight distribution and better traction under load. The rear engine placement liberated space in the cabin, enhancing comfort by eliminating the intrusion of an engine compartment into the front seating area. Jay Leno, known for his passion for classic automobiles, notably acquired a Corvair rampside that he stumbled upon near his workshop in Santa Barbara. Despite its rough condition, Leno recognized the truck's historical significance and decided to restore it himself. This model became a testament to Leno's appreciation for automotive history and his willingness to undertake restoration projects, even when faced with challenges. Interestingly, Leno managed to acquire this piece of automotive history for a mere $600. Reflecting both its neglected state at the time and the relatively modest valuations of such vehicles in the collector's market. This purchase underscored Leno's commitment to preserving unique automotive designs, valuing historical significance over financial considerations. The restoration efforts on Leno's Corvair rampside showcased several intriguing features and modifications that highlighted its historical and functional appeal. The truck's distinctive rampside design, from which it derived its name, featured a unique swing-down panel on the right side of the bed. This innovative 22DG incline was not just a stylistic choice, but also served a practical purpose by facilitating the loading and unloading of heavy cargo, making it exceptionally versatile for a variety of tasks. Moreover, the cab-4 layout, made possible by the rear engine placement, provided spacious accommodations within the cab. This layout ensured ample legroom for both the driver and passenger, setting it apart from conventional pickups of its era that typically had engine compartments intruding into the cabin space. This design innovation not only enhanced comfort, but also contributed to the truck's overall balance and handling characteristics, making it easier to maneuver in various driving conditions. Structurally, the Corvair rampside utilized a unibody construction, contributing to its lightweight and agile handling characteristics. This design choice, while innovative, also imposed limitations on its utility as a pickup truck. Despite being able to carry up to 1,500 lb of cargo, the absence of a flatbed floor restricted its versatility compared to traditional pickup trucks with full open beds. The Corvair lineup in particular aimed to challenge established norms with its rear engineering architecture, originally popularized by European manufacturers like Volkswagen. By integrating this unconventional layout into a pickup truck format, Chevrolet aimed to attract buyers seeking practicality coupled with unique engineering solutions. In terms of design evolution, the Corvair rampside represented a departure from Chevrolet's more conventional truck offerings of the time, such as the Apache series. Its rear-engine design not only differentiated it aesthetically, but also influenced its driving dynamics and utility. The inclusion of a flat-six engine, positioned low and towards the rear, contributed to a lower center of gravity, enhancing stability and handling characteristics, particularly when laden with cargo. The legacy of the Corvair rampside extends beyond its production years, influencing subsequent generations of pickup trucks and automotive design philosophies. Its rear-engine layout and unibody construction set a precedent for innovation in utility vehicle design, challenging industry standards and prompting reconsideration of traditional engineering solutions. Number 1. 2004 Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson. The 2004 Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson is a rare and distinctive pickup truck that holds a unique place in automotive history. For F-150, the best-selling truck in Texas, the truck that gives Texans more choices and now more doors. It was the result of a special collaboration between Ford Motor Company and Harley-Davidson Motor Company, combining the rugged utility of Ford trucks with the iconic styling cues of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Produced in limited numbers, it remains a coveted find among collectors and enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of Jay Leno's particular F-150 Harley-Davidson is its powerhouse of an engine. Unlike the standard model, which primarily focused on aesthetic enhancements, Jay's truck boasts a formidable 5.4L supercharged V8 engine. This same engine was renowned for its performance in the Ford F-150 Lightning, producing approximately 360 horsepower and an impressive 440 FTs of torque. This powertrain gave Jay's truck not just a distinctive roar, but also thrilling acceleration and a robust performance edge. In terms of design, the F-150 Harley-Davidson exudes a commanding presence on the road. Finished in a sleek monochrome black with striking orange pinstriping, it captures attention wherever it goes. The 20-inch chrome wheels complement its bold appearance, while the flare side box, topped with a hard-shell tonneau cover, combines practicality with style. The custom exhaust system, specially tuned for a deep and resonant sound, further enhances the truck's distinctive character, ensuring it announces its arrival with a throaty rumble. Inside the cabin, the F-150 Harley-Davidson offers a blend of comfort, luxury, and thoughtful design that sets it apart in the truck segment. The ebony black leather-trimmed captain's chairs are not just seats, they are a statement of exclusivity, with their embossed Harley-Davidson logos inviting occupants to indulge in a premium experience. The choice of materials and craftsmanship extends throughout the interior, where chrome accents on the steering column, stalks, and door release hardware catch the eye and add a subtle touch of sophistication. Completing the upscale ambiance, the steering wheel and trim are elegantly wrapped in black leather, ensuring that every tactile interaction with the cabin feels refined and satisfying. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the cabin of the F-150 Harley-Davidson is designed with practicality and convenience in mind. Modern amenities are seamlessly integrated to enhance the driving and riding experience. Air conditioning ensures that the cabin remains comfortable regardless of the weather outside, while speed control allows for effortless cruising on highways. Remote keyless entry simplifies access to the vehicle, adding convenience to daily use. Power windows, locks, and a driver's seat adjustment feature cater to individual preferences, ensuring that occupants can customize their seating and visibility positions with ease. For added functionality, an overhead console provides temperature and compass displays, keeping drivers informed about their surroundings and journey conditions at a glance. Entertainment is seamlessly integrated into the cabin experience, courtesy of an AM/FM stereo equipped with a single CD player. This setup not only offers quality sound, but also allows occupants to enjoy their favorite music or radio programs during travels, ensuring that every drive is as pleasurable as it is practical. Jay Leno's personal connection with this truck adds another layer to its story. Presented to him by Ford's division president Jim O'Connor in May 2004, it became a cherished part of Jay Leno's extensive collection of rare and unique vehicles. However, beyond being a collector's item, Jay decided to use his truck for philanthropic purposes. In a generous gesture, he auctioned off his beloved F-150 Harley-Davidson to benefit the National Multiple Sclerosis Society, raising $200,000 for the cause. This act highlighted not only Jay Leno's passion for automobiles, but also his commitment to making a positive impact through his collection. Jay's personal modifications to the truck included lowering its height by 1 inch with revised springs and heavy-duty sway bars, which enhanced its aggressive stance and handling characteristics. These modifications not only improved its aesthetic, but also further distinguished Jay Leno's truck from others of its kind. The collaboration between Ford and Harley-Davidson on the 2004 F-150 Harley-Davidson represented more than just a vehicle. It was a testament to the blending of two iconic American brands, each with its own storied history. For collectors and enthusiasts of both Ford trucks and Harley-Davidson motorcycles, this collaboration offered a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that encapsulates the spirit of American craftsmanship and innovation. Jay Leno's garage unveiled 3 astonishingly rare pickup trucks that defy conventional expectations, from the futuristic to the historically significant. Each vehicle showcased today embodies innovation and heritage. Which of these unique trucks would you most want to take for a spin? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive glimpses into automotive marvels. What hidden gems would you like to discover next?